Do you find it difficult to organize and pack away all the holiday gear after the holidays? Well, in this episode, I'm going to share with you 3 easy tips that you can implement. Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in here. It's so busy right now. It's the week of Christmas as I'm recording this, and just wanted to get this information out to you because when the holidays are over, right, we got all this holiday gear and all this stuff that we have to put back, and it can be a disaster. It can be a nightmare trying to put all that back. I'm fortunate enough to where I have a family that helps a lot with that, so that's awesome. But I want to share with you 3 tips that you can implement to make it easier. Okay, so the first one is have a holiday closet. Doesn't have to be anything big, but it should fit the majority of your holiday stuff. You don't want to have stuff, holiday ornaments in one closet, and then outside stuff in another closet, or you get my point, right? You don't want to have holiday stuff throughout the house unless it's the big stuff. I shouldn't say that exterior stuff shouldn't be separate, but you want to have a holiday closet where you go to that closet and that's where all your holiday. And by the way, that doesn't have to be for just one holiday. That could be for all the holidays. There's people in my subdivision that it seems like they put something outside for every single holiday that there is. So have a holiday closet and designate that space towards your holiday gear. Second one is use clear bins. Clear bins can really be helpful because you don't have to take off the lid. No, what's this and what's that? Especially if you don't have them labeled. So if you have clear bins or even color-coded bins. I know for Christmas they have green or red bins, and that pretty much stands out for what holiday it is. So have clear bins so that you can really look at, oh yeah, that's right, that's the ornaments, or that's the Halloween stuff, or that's whatever, Easter, whatever it is. Okay, it'd be a lot easier for you to actually look at what is inside without taking off every single lid. And the third one is organize with an inventory app. I pulled this one up online, kind of interesting. There's apps for everything. There's an app called Sortly, right? SORTLY. There's another one called Home Inventory, which, by the way, these are not endorsements. This is just something that I pulled up on my own. But these are apps that, maybe check out and keep inventory of what you have and where it's at. So you can say, okay, for example, ornaments. They're in the basement closet, behind the bar, wherever, right? So because they have apps for everything, why not have an app for home inventory? So just a quick video I wanted to share with you. I wish all of you happy holidays and a happy new year that's actually coming up. With that said, I really hope that you guys follow me on social media. If you're not doing so, those links are in the description below. And be sure to visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. Thank you for watching. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. Be sure to visit the links in the description below to pick up your copy of my real estate book, Think Like a Realtor. It's a little book about buying and selling residential real estate through the eyes of a realtor. It's real world advice, tips, whether you're a new agent in the business or you are a home buyer or even looking to sell a home. This is great advice. So I really appreciate it if you guys visit those links, pick up your copy, and go ahead and share a review, good or bad, if you like it, if you hate it, okay? But get your copy today. Thank you.